from the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. All right, well, thankfully much nicer weather across Acadiana today. Seasonable temperatures right where we should be for the time of year. Low to mid 60s earlier this afternoon, and it's going to stay warmer than normal here. Really, we're going to start the trend warmer than normal over the next few days, at least to the middle parts of the week. Some rain chances in the mix as well, but then thereafter looks like another round of winter temperatures for the end of the week, heading into the upcoming weekend before potentially warming up into Mardi Gras Day itself. We'll have to see how that plays out in the days ahead. But first off, let's get a check at the upper level pattern, and the main upper level low that was responsible for the clouds and even some showers yesterday morning, now well off to our east, and what's been moving in its place is some drier, more comfortable weather, what we saw out there today. Another upper level low taking shape out west, and that's going to continue to progress eastward here over the next couple of days. Now, the main energy with this likely going to be bypassing us off to the north, but nonetheless, it's going to slowly try to drag a frontal boundary into the area for the middle parts of the week, but it's going to kind of stall out off to our north before eventually we get enough push in the upper levels to send that front southward and kind of refreshing us up and send in some cooler weather for the end of the week and into the weekend. But in the short term, again, no major issues. Clear skies out there early this evening, and we'll call it mostly clear to fair overnight tonight. May see some patchy fog in spots by tomorrow morning, but not overly widespread. Chilly to cold, upper 30s to lower 40s, so have those jackets and coats ready to go tomorrow morning. Otherwise, going to be able to lose it pretty quickly. Nice looking day, mostly sunny into the afternoon. Notice temperatures a little bit warmer than today. Upper 60s, but I think most of us actually getting into the lower 70s. Maybe some high level clouds late in the afternoon, but that would be about it. And really, I think the bulk of the cloud cover is going to hold off until Tuesday. Temperatures milder to start, mid 50s. And then we're pushing well into the low, even mid 70s in spots Tuesday afternoon. Here comes that frontal boundary. It's kind of fizzling out as it approaches Acadiana. So maybe a few showers there Tuesday afternoon, but nothing overly heavy nor severe. So that is the good news. But again, that front kind of gets caught up off to our north. So that's going to keep scattered rain chances in the forecast into Wednesday. Mild temperatures as well, easily in the mid 70s. But then here we go. Finally, that front is going to start to push through Acadiana there on Thursday, bringing a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. Probably on Thursday, at least a low-end threat for severe weather. So we'll have to watch how that plays out over the next couple of days. But behind this front, again, definitely going to be turning much cooler and nicer for Friday, heading into Saturday before it does look like, at least at this point, we start to warm up Sunday into Lundi Gras and Mardi Gras. In the short term, though, again, we are still chilly. Best chance to see the upper 30s tonight. Northern portions of Acadiana, we'll say lower 40s for most areas along the I-10 corridor, and that's pretty much how it's going to go across the coastal parishes as well. After that chilly start, again, we are mild tomorrow afternoon, but still pretty comfortable. Lower 70s, I think, for most of us under mostly sunny skies. Again, some high-level clouds for the second half of the day, but nothing that's going to be producing rain or anything like that. 41, your projected low tonight, at least here in Lafayette. Fair skies initially, but again, some patchy fog possibly developing a little bit later on tonight into first thing tomorrow morning. Otherwise, any fog that develops quickly burns off throughout the morning. And it's a nice start to the week. Mostly sunny, 71 or so into the afternoon. Winds coming in out of the west-southwest, only at around 4 to 8 miles per hour. Here we go, staying mild Tuesday into Wednesday with at least some scattered rain chances. Nothing too terribly high. We'll hold it at around 40% for now. Best rain and storm chances of the week, though, arriving on Thursday as that cold front's finally going to be pushing through Acadiana. And then thereafter, we're back to mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies for the end of the week, heading into the weekend. Cooler as well. Look at those highs back in the 50s. Overnight lows in the 30s, so probably not down to 30s at least for at least right now. So
some chilly stuff, but a beautiful day nonetheless here in Acadia so far.
Yeah, after yesterday's kind of gloomy, rainy conditions, we at least saved the second half of the weekend with sunny weather today.
Good way to look at it. Thanks, Bradley.